Presently we are out in the city of Bhopal and it's bright, very very bright day. More bright for me as I am going to meet my childhood friend at DB Mall. We are also planning to have a visit to the city, all the important sites of city. We shall be planning for a visit to Sanchi Stup, the reverend Buddhist monastery. We should have a lot of fun. See you. I'll keep you updated. Bye. We had an energizing breakfast here and pushed forward, freshly charged for the day. This is the DB Mall where we are supposed to meet our event. This is one of the biggest malls of the city, very well known, very well maintained. So here we are, right in front of DB City Mall. So we are inside the DB Mall. They are celebrating Women's Day. Wow. Finally landed at our place of reunion, that is the Pirates of the Grill. The exterior is really impressive. I can't believe it, meeting Sunil after 35 years. We had a lovely lunch and lot of gossip and finally bade goodbye. Hello everyone. We have started from Bhopal towards Sanchi Stup, approximately 50 kilometers from here. If the road conditions are okay, we shall be able to reach in 1 hour or a little more than 1 hour. Sanchi, as we all know, is a place of religious importance to the Buddhists and to the Indians as such, worldwide. The monuments and the relics that are present at Sanchi have always found their way into our textbooks in history and have been a glowing example of our rich Indian cultural diversity. Today we will just go and pay our salutations to that important site. Just be with us. It was a memorable experience about which I shall elaborate in my next video. Next morning we once again barged into this beautiful restaurant and had our fill and went to the nearby temple. Out of our hotel for a bit of Bhopal darshan. We had offered our prayers today to the Hanumanji temple adjacent to our hotel in the New Market, and then had had some wonderful dosas at Indian Coffee House, and now we are ready and moving out for Bhopal Darshan. Presently going to the ropeway services at a place known as Manuvan Tekri, where there is a Jain temple in the top, apart from some amusement parks adjoining. So let's see how it is. It's a Tuesday morning, busy, people are rushing for their various events. Traffic is moderate. This is the view of the upper lake of Bhopal, really vast and magnificent. We shall try to drop in here for a bit of boating in the evening if time permits. We have got Kamla Park on the right, and this is Raja Bhoj Setu. Roads, as I said, is quite well maintained, very neat, very clean.
गोहर महल बोलते थे किला
क्या कौन सा किला था?
गोहर महल
अच्छा यही है गोहर महल on our right, important historical monument. And this is the lake, full view, magnificent, isn't it? So huge, so vast. One of the principal reasons why the temperatures of Bhopal are kept within moderation. The life-size statue of Raja Bhoj is so drawn out. Currently following the VIP road that moves along the side of this vast upper lake. entering Manuabhan Tekri and the ropeway. So we have now just got down from our vehicle and we are moving to the ticket counter of the ropeway. So we got our tickets and we are moving in. Sure. This is our ropeway. This is our car. The tickets have been punched and we are moving in. It's a bright sunny day. Started our journey. The ropeway slowly climbing up. Dinosaur keeps open its mouth to greet us the moment we enter the park. So this is the topmost point or the viewpoint of this place. So you can see the magnificent Jain temple, and as I roll my camera to my left, you are seeing the airstrip of Bhopal Airport. Dornier has just landed. I missed the landing. This is the city, and that is the lake. Huge lake. So that's about the Tekri. So we begin our journey down. Anwar Harun Tikri. We are now moving to Tribal Museum. This is supposed to be one of its kind in this entire country. So we are really thrilled. What awaits for us? Let's see. Right in front of us, we have got the CM's house, the Chief Minister's house. This is the VIP area. We got interesting graffiti on the walls, making the entire city extremely beautiful. This is another masterpiece about which I shall detail in my next videos. We have finished Tribal Museum. It was really a wonderful piece of art, wonderful collection, and a very good explanation for all the tribal activities of this nation. So it was really enlightening for all of us. From here we shall be progressing for lunch. I am also eager to meet another friend of mine after approximately 35 years actually. We always been friends. So we shall have lunch together and recollect our old times. See you till then. Something that is very impressive apart from other features is the presence of lot of greenery, lot of forest cover or tree cover area. You do not feel as if you are in a city. You feel like you are in some type of holidaying an emotional get together. We played and studied together. A lot of gossip, and finally some playtime and time to say goodbye with a heavy heart. After refreshing my childhood memories with my dear friend Anupam, we started our journey and meandered through the busy Bhopal streets in the evening and headed towards the Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Manav Sangrahalaya. It's an anthropological museum, also known as the National Museum of Humankind or the Museum of Man and Culture, over Shyamala Hills. We are at the boat club for our own round of boating. This is the model of Indian worship. The sign is Shivalik. Wow, we have got such lovely swans dotting the entire coast, having their own set of conversations. Multiple boats of various colors are docking. Boats are rented for a duration of 20 to 25 minutes. You get a rower along with who rows the boat for you while you enjoy the serenity of the lake. Far away, the coastline is dotted with brilliant lights of Bhopal. Wonderful place. So we are going for a boat ride. Let us see how it is. इस वाले बोट में So you can see the glittering Bhopal from here. The entire silence is broken periodically by the lapping of the rows in the water. The sun has set and the horizon is slowly darkening up. Multiple boats are floating, anchored in the water.
संकट कुछ है
मैक्सिमम गहराई कितनी है साहब? 30 फीट 30 फीट मैक्सिमम.
डीप ना 30 फीट कम है. टापू का गोला मारती है ना? नहीं सर गोला नहीं मार
गोला नहीं मारती,
टापू के
पास से होकर.
पूरा लेक का नहीं है.
The sky is clear.